Okay, so we ran past lava and everything else, opened up a doorway. Stop it, that gas is more dangerous than you think. You run across a pressure plate or trip line explode, I blame you. You are really going to regret this, you know that? Yeah. Tell me something that doesn't come as a surprise to me. Seriously. Okay, fuck, I'm flying to the top. Guess there's another one down here. Meeting room, kitchen, main elevator, sector C, condemned, Cube Inc transmission hub condemned. Would you please just once listen to me? That gas, it isn't good in here. I don't know what could happen, but you don't look good, so take my advice and stop doing this because you need help. New protocol. All unauthorized intruders will be able to exit instead of getting burnt alive in underground lava. Always. Finger verification. Wait, what the fuck? That's some snazzy shit you got there. Anyway. What are you doing? Stop that. Oh, wait, there's a button right there. You just keep flopping your legs around. It's, oh no, the gas you inhaled. It's caused hallucinations. Chapter 5. The trip. Oh good, we're gonna go on a loony trip. That's just what we need. Follow the light. It's so pretty. Okay. Don't be the bone. The only safe place? Nothing. Nothing. There's nothing in it. Actually, that looks kind of cool. Oh. The only safe place is jack shit in it. Get to the other side of the landmass and I take it we're guy. That's cool, I suppose. There's a random ship, go up here. Beds in there. Again, nothing to trust. Ooh, wow, there's a lot of signs. The basement, he knows you. We can't stop him. You're being used. He lies. Don't trust him. You won't survive. He did this to you. Escape from him now. We can help you. Trust me, escape while you can. It's his fault. He's getting closer. You may have one chance. Wow, that's a lot of signs. Who is it that I'm not supposed to trust? Exactly. So I have an inkling. I don't know, maybe an idea that I'm not completely losing my mind. So do I not follow the lights, or? I don't know, it's just because there's a on there, so let's just do this. Feels safer in this mode. Elevator to void. Level 1 lobby. Floor levels level B1 void. Okay. Oops. Right. Open the door. Thank you. You're more. Don't go down there, Aaron. Please, you are more important than you believe. Death. That way. That's nice. Yeah. Seriously. Seriously, people. Is that the only way I can go, or can I, like, go other places? So I'd really prefer not to die, thanks. Just a personal preference. Right. I'm gonna guess that I have to die. Yeah. Wow. Do you realize how retarded that is? I'm gonna pause the video until I get back. Okay, so these guys say the basement, he knows you're being used, he lies. The basement, in other words, was where I was supposed to go, and it tells you to get to the other side of the island, and these guys also don't trust the guy that says follow the lights. Granted, the lights led me to this building, which was where I needed to go, but the rest of the lights, obviously you saw in the video, lead me to kill myself. And it probably sounded like a strange mess up in my video recording. Anyway, this is some strange stuff. Actually, what is that anyway? Does anybody know? It is. I actually don't know what that is. Alright, so let's keep looking. Why am I going in the wrong direction? Can I use it down here? Oh, what is it? What? Why is that glowing?